and welcome to Thrive Thursday. Every Thursday I share with you a recipe that you can make using Thrive Life freeze-dried ingredients. So my whole point in sharing these recipes is to show you, I always say there's no excuse to live off beans and rice. If you need to live off your food storage, when you can make amazing meals like this with just a few shelf-stable ingredients, you can make some really good foods. Today, so every recipe I try to highlight some of the things that are on sale because I have 6 kids. I'm also very budget friendly, so I like to get the most bang for your buck. Every month, Thrive Life has sales, so I use some of the items that are on sale so you can have those recipe ideas. But if you're watching this and this is no longer on sale, just check. They have different sales every month. Your best deal is going to be to get the specials pack. It's one of everything for an extra discount. So totally worth shopping the sales. And that's a great way to build up your food storage with good variety. Today, I'm going to be making butter chicken. So it's an Indian food dish. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to just make something. Everything is shelf stable ingredients. I'm going to be using the chopped chicken, which is on sale this month. This is so great. It's pre-cooked. The Thrive Life freeze-dried meats are all pre-cooked. So literally all we're going to do is rehydrate it and add our sauce and serve it over rice. Super easy. It really doesn't get much easier than that. So I'm going to go ahead and tilt down the camera. And as always, you can see the description. Down in the description, there's a link to a printable version of the recipe. So this particular sauce I got from Misfit Markets. So I'll look and see if you can order it on Amazon, but you could use really any jarred flavored sauce that you want. You can do this same technique to any flavor of sauce and serve it with pasta, rice, whatever. So the links to the printable recipe will be in the description, as well as a link to my Thrive Life website where you can order some freeze-dried foods. As well as if you're interested in becoming a consultant, or if that's something you want to order foods more often every month, you may as well be a consultant and get a little bit of a kickback, and that's an extra discount, right? So without further ado, let me tilt this down and be sure and like and subscribe so you'll see every Thursday's recipe. All right, let's show you how easy it is. All right, so on my burner there, I have 1 cup of water getting up to a boil, and I'm just gonna add 1 cup of chicken. This is the Thrive Life chopped chicken. Normally, when you're rehydrating the chicken, you would do half a cup of water to 1 cup of chicken, but this sauce, this butter chicken sauce that I'm doing, says to add about half of a cup of water to the sauce as well. So I just went ahead and added 1 cup of water, 1 cup of chicken, and it's okay that it's going to be a little watery here because the sauce needs water anyway. That's pretty much it. I mean, this is the easiest recipe ever. Just let the chicken cook for a little bit and let it rehydrate in the water. And you can add the sauce early because the chicken will rehydrate in the sauce too and get a little more flavor. But at this point, it's almost taken me longer to take the wrapper off the jar of sauce than it is to make this meal. Super easy. So you got this sauce, and like I said, you can use any sauce you like. It's whatever your preference is. Any meat and sauce combinations, and you can have it over rice, over chicken, over pasta, over mashed potatoes, whatever your favorite, over vegetables, whatever your favorite base is. But that's pretty much it. At this point, I'm adding the sauce and then just stir it and mix it together and let that chicken fully hydrate. You can always pull out a small piece of chicken and taste test it to make sure that it's fully hydrated before you dish everything up. But it really only took maybe 5 minutes to heat this up and to rehydrate the chicken. It really doesn't take that long. So just stir it for a little bit and then get your rice and go ahead and dish it up into your bowls, and it's so easy. And my husband came home just in time to have this for lunch. So this was such a quick, easy lunch. So yeah, always a good idea to check the chicken, just make sure it's fully rehydrated. You don't want to bite into hard chicken or it's not like it's hard, but dry chicken, I guess. So always check it, make sure it's fully rehydrated before you dish everything up. But then there you go. I mean, so easy. It honestly, it took longer to cook the rice than to make this topping. and really quick and easy. And there you go. It's that easy. So this, it actually smells really, really good. I'm not a big Indian food eater. Yeah, it does. It smells like curry. But seriously, it doesn't get much easier than this. Sauce with the pre-cooked chicken. You just cook it long enough to rehydrate the chicken, serve it over rice. So, here you go. Tastes like Indian food.
Tastes like Indian food.
I don't know, a lot of it tastes the same to me. The chicken tastes just like it does at that Indian restaurant, like when we get it there. Super easy. I mean, really, to make a dinner, anything like this. And you could do the same thing with just about any prepackaged sauce that you like. Add your meat to it, and there you go. Easy, easy. You can do this. Let me know in the messages some other sauce and meat combinations you have. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe and watch for next week's recipe.